Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get your secret key on your Phantom wallet. So this is very useful to get your wallet back, and I'm gonna show you how to do it in just a few seconds. So the first thing we're gonna do is opening our Phantom wallet, then go to the top left, click here, and manage accounts. Now if you have more than one account, they will appear here. You just need to click the one you want to get the private key. In my case, I only have one account, so I want to click here. And you can see this option that says show private key. I'm gonna click here, and you need to enter your password and check this checkbox. It's important to note that your private key is the only way to recover your wallet. So it's very important to not share it with anyone, because if someone has your private key, then they will be able to basically steal all your money. So I'm gonna click next, then choose the coin you want, let's say Ethereum, and you will get your private key. I'm obviously going to censor mine, but that's basically the process. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.